My beautiful people, you are highly blessed. Thank you for clicking. May God continue to bless you as you click and like and share. Today, I just want to broadcast this news. It is my wish to create alertness. It is my desire to make you know, especially those news that will wake you as you are sleeping. If you are living in Nigeria, especially in the eastern region, as you sleep, let your one eye be open, please. I don't mean you shouldn't sleep at all. I don't mean I don't want to create fears, fear into your system. But I just want you to know that if you have enemy all around you, you must be very careful. I just wish everybody should create more alertness and be more careful as to what is happening now in Nigeria. Listen to what else just happened. A bomb. They want to blow a policeman, a Fulani policeman in Ebonyi State. There, the man want to blow people. It is not a joking matter anymore. And so, in fact, I will rather read the news for you direct so that you can as well see it for yourself. So just bear with me, exercise patience. Let me try to read it the way I saw it here. Collusion. Now, let me start from the beginning. Igbo youths arise to alarm over suicide bomber in Ebonyi State. And it's collusion of Southeast youth leaders has raised alarm over the incident of suicide bomber who wore an improvised explosive device and attempt to detonate it at Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. They stated that, contrary to the statement that the bomber was a police officer, he was actually a Fulani who attempted to detonate the device at the Amaizu-Amangbala Primary School II in Afikpo North Council of the state. In a statement issued by the president of the group, Goodluck Ibem, the secretary, Kanice Igwe, the group disclosed that the incident confirmed that the real police terrorists, the Southeast Zone, in the name of unknown gunmen, were the Fulani herdsmen. God, in His infinite mercy, was kind to the children and families of innocent children who would have been victims of suicide bombing today. The suicide bomber must have been sent to bomb the school and the children as a message to the southern governors to revise its ban on opening grazing. Okay, because this grazing of a thing was bound and they were closed. They were completely not allowed to graze in that area at all because of the previous things that have happened before. Now, we are aware that some vast interests are hell bent on truncating the ban on opening grazing, and they are ready to go the extra mile to make it happen, even if it means killing. Sorry. Where were I? Sorry, I forgot. There's something left where I was before. We were aware. Okay, now the group demanded an independent investigation on the incident to unravel the truth identity of the bomber. And this sponsors the lamenting that southern Nigeria was unsafe until the true perpetrator of the that's the acts that they are sponsored were revealed and prosecuted. We urge all Nigerians to be watchful, and this is why I'm reading the news. We urge all Nigerians to be watchful and report any suspicious person and movement to the appropriate authority. The youths and their traditional ruler should immediately set up a security outfit to protect their territories against invaders and murderous Fulani herdsmen who has now taken to suicide bombing to destroy our community. The statement added, okay, let me just stop here. This added statement may not be relevant, but my major focus is to tell you the alertness. The same thing that I always do in this channel is to alert you people, create alertness. Even if I don't alert you, extend the alertness to some other people who are living in that premises. We cannot just sit quiet and see things happening, and until it happens, things will be, getting ready to swallow people, and we will just sit there and be looking at it. The best we could do, or the best we may want to do, is to let others. If you push and I push and every other person continue to alert people and continue to speak on the same issue, there might be motivation. If there will be motivation for a security to be tightened, to raise more capable security guys around the inhabitants, people who are living in our eastern region, because I believe they are mostly the target, the south, or mostly the southeast. They are most targeted people. It's those areas the Christians do well. I believe that if only we could raise more proper security men around our area, this will be stopped, because they are not the indigenes. The indigenes are more aware of themselves. If this thing would have happened, the innocent children, this would be really, it will be very deadly. So what I pray and want everyone to continue to do is send message, reach out to your people, tell them, be careful. If you're working any group of gathering, if possible, avoid it. Every gathering that is many people and you don't know the people that are there should be avoided. And if you watch it, just like the news said, if you see any suspicious movement, report it. Alert your siblings, alert your people, alert the security guys. Support the security guys around you. Those people, even if you're not staying at home, send message. If it's one naira or 2 naira, use it to support the security guys in the eastern or southeast. It will help. That is just the reason of this news. And I pray that God himself, because the Bible says, if God does not watch the city, the watchmen are watching in vain. We will continue to pray for God to watch our city, but we have to also know, even St. Paul was having a knife, and he was the right-hand man of Jesus. He was securing Jesus. he was ready to fight. We have to get our men ready, not to go and fight, but to preserve the city where they dwell, to make sure that everyone is ready, eye open, because so may God support his children and continue to preserve and secure us in Jesus' name. Good night. Bye.